Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you guys my new lip kits. Yay! I'm launching 7 new lip liners and 10 new lipsticks. And I'm going to show you how I would use some of them. They're super creamy, super radiant, and so pigmented. First, I'm going to go in with 606. I'll show you packaging. It has a sharpener at the end. This is 606 or 6006. It's a dark brown. They glide on so easily, and they're also water resistant and smudge resistant. Next, I like to take some of my liner and fill it in like this to get that ombre look. And then I'm gonna go in with my lipstick, my nude lipstick 211. Super cute, simple packaging. I love that you can see some of the color. So you could stack them like this in your makeup vanity and know which color it is. This is just a simple nude. You can take a brush or your finger and just blend it a little bit. You can top it with a gloss or leave it like it is. And some of the ingredients is jojoba or hojoba, whatever you can pronounce it, whatever way you would like. But it does have that in the ingredients, so they're non-drying. And yeah, this is how I would pair these two. What I love about these lip kits is you could keep them together, like for a red lip. I have a true red, like a Christmas red, and then a brighter orange red. And so you could match a matching lipstick and liner so you can get that crisp edge like with a red lip. Or you can mix and match like I am here using a dark lip liner and a lighter lipstick to get this ombre effect. And you can do it with pinks too, and I'll show you. Okay, same lip liner as before. Now I'm gonna go in with a pink lipstick. I'm gonna use shade 105. Where was this during the Barbie trend? Oh my God. Stunning. So pretty. Next, show you 1015. It's like that perfect fall shade. They're so creamy, you could actually wear this all over the lip. And then I'm going to top it with this dark brown in shade 216, just to see. This is pretty cute. I actually really like this. I've never done burgundy and brown before. Maybe I'll wear this today. Wow. Yeah, I really like this color. And it's not yellowing to the teeth. This is some of the other lip combos I came up with throughout the week. Thanks so much for watching. To see more swatches and shades, check out my website or my Instagram.